Lagyan mo.
Ready? Are you done with your drawing? No.
Hi! Ayan na sis, nakapush na. Hi, madam! Welcome to our live! Do the drive! We're doing a game! Game! May voice over to sis ha.
Kain na po.
Hi, madam! Hello.
Madam,
May mga activity.
May pa-activity. Na.
gusto BBC eh.
Oh, pass na ba? Pass na ba? Are we gonna pass?
Game.
Wait.
Kain lang kayo, madam. Sis, yung
Oh, sige, ako na bahala. Oh, put this one somewhere na lang. Sige, dude, yeah, Sam, you represent me. Madaka dito yung ano. Kasi pag nag-video nito ng kanilang live eh. Oh.
Whatever is the drawing.
Oh.
Pass now.
Pass the drawing.
Pass it.
Oh my God.
Pass it on the next page. Whatever the drawing is, you write it down. You write the answer.
Sumasakit ang ulo ng nagdo-drawing.
Madam, ano yan?
Ang hirap. Are we gonna pass na? Pass? Mahirap nga.
I'm not lazy with my drawing.
Oh, ipasa na. Parang Christmas tree yan, kapatid ah.
Oo, di ba?
Oo.
Kaso bakit may mammals?
Di mama sa inyo yung aso. Pusa.
Mamas talaga.
Lahat ng animal na yun.
Ah, pass na, pass na. Ito na. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Ang ulo ko, grabe.
Maganda sa mga senior.
Hindi naging effective ang NDAD. Hindi. Oh. Oh, yun na, pasa na.
Then pass your paper
Oh.
and then draw that.
Pass. Oh my God. May cell take out like this. All the way to the earth, baby.
Again, yung water.
Hoy, parang yung brain natin dito na ano na.
Sa kabila may games dito rin.
Madam, pasensya, hindi ka rin ako siya.
Oh my. Sis, parang batikang ay, oh my God. Drawingista ka.
I know, try. Parang kindergarten ako.
Meron taho, meron
Bakit kinakareer, ano?
Oh yeah. Oh my. Wow. Ang tagal naman bumalik nito sa owner.
sis, ano na?
Next na, ang tagal.
Ready na?
Ayan,
Uy,
Ang lag.
pwede ba na-explain na later?
Ang tagal naman ma-answer. Sis Mas, bilisan mo na.
Baka ko na-tsura na drawing ka sa yan.
Maawa ka sa anak ko.
Sis, ano to? Mamaya.
Sis, isipin mo, grade 1 na nag-drawing. Parang, stop helping. Parang sperm cell niya na.
Okay, okay.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Okay, next. Pass your paper. Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Mukhang aliman yung drawing ko. Ano naman yan? I know. Are you almost done?
Oh. Talino talaga to. Gifted.
Ito din.
Oh, wow. Yes, gawin mo na yan.
Ito.
Oh, nasa na? Na-stuck na kami. Wala na kami.
Ay, mali. Dapat drawing dito.
Kayo po sa likod.
Ay, bakit? Mali. Ito, dapat drawing yan. Tapos, ito yung...
Sister! Saan ka galing? Galing ka California, ha? Ang layo mo. Ang layo galing California.
Ay, sige, busog pa. Dahil mo yung...
Kapatid! Ako yung naka-ano eh. Ako naka-assign sa live eh. Kaya...
Ay, bisita kasi kami.
Last na ba yan? May exam dito.
Ikaw ba nagsulat ito?
O, bagay mo sa amin dito.
Then you guess it.
Last two pa. Okay, draw that, draw that.
Oh, yung pinaganda ko na talaga to, ha?
Final na yan, final na yan. May... Is that your name?
That's your Reggie.
Bakit natapos na siya?
They skip.
Hindi, na-skip yung isang page. Yeah. So I think you have to write on the... no, that one's complete. Oh, it was...
You got it there?
Missing something?
Ni Bella and Andy.
Oh.
Yeah, hindi bumalik sa kanila.
Oh.
Oh, they're not done.
Oh, behind. Oh.
That's mine.
Yes. They're behind.
Oh, go back to the owner na.
Where is yours? See what they did? It's all the
Oh, that's yours na.
Final, ano, OLW.
Final journey.
Surprise.
May isa pa ba? May isa pa ba? Oh, i-answer mo pa sis. Oh, answer mo pa. Magsulat ka pa dito. I-answer mo pa yan.
Skip niya. Na-skip niya lang.
Balik daw sa'yo, may na-skip ka daw.
Ano lang, yan lang ano.
I-drawing mo daw dito.
Kuha ko na lang, ha?
Bakit ako na naman?
Tayo na naman natin sa final. May tricks tayo.
Hindi! Ito yung drawing na dito. Nakisama sa page na
Oo. Ayan o.
ito yung drawing niya. Nandun siya sa page.
Oo.
Pero yung ano na.
Nagbaliktad, oo. Dapat dito siya umanswer. Oo.
Wala siya pag-answer.
Oo. Ewan ko. Okay lang.
Okay.
Oh, tapos na, tapos na.
Si Andy nandyan na.
Oh, answer na, reveal na, reveal.
Maganda itong laro na ito. Palaro natin sa ano.
Ipalayo natin to sis.
Ano gagawin?
Guess, I don't know. Anong tawag? Ano ba tawag sa title na to? Anong title ng Sis Jackie, anong title ng larong to? Titulo? Walang may alam ng title ng game. Sis Jo, ano bang tawag ng title ng game na to? Telestration.
Pag matalino yan, mag-iinom na lang ako.
Hello. Pang matalino naman ang game na to. 5, 4.
Meron siya mga ano, mga paper cup.
Oo, sis. Oo, hindi ba pwede sa red na lang na, no? Oo, hindi na, sis. Ha? Oh my God! Sis Colleen! Nandiyan ka na pala! Oh my God! Oh.
Ang daming game!
B!
Let's start with
Huwag mo na dito. Dito ka na magsimula sa likod. Ayan.
guys. We will start with Sis Bianca.
Ah. Kain na kayo dyan.
So, this is yours. Okay, so this is what she got. Let's explain to them. This is your last word.
This is what I got.
Ghost
flying.
Ghost
This is
flying.
your last word. Flip it.
Seryoso ka dyan.
And then this is the ghost flying.
Oh my God.
Somebody guess that is ghost flying.
Oh, wow.
And then this is the ghost flying.
Oh, wow.
Just the ghost now.
Ano yun? Yung tama yun?
Parang goat naman yan. Imbis na ghost yan.
This is the kangaroo with the headband. And this is the first drawing.
Kangaroo.
Her word is
Kangaroo with the headband. Oh my God.
goes to a kangaroo.
Oh my God. Let's see. Sis Bianca. Ayun na. Go.
Flower.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so this was the drawing. And then, wait, no.
Baliktad.
So, ito yung sagot. A girl
Watering the plants.
watering plants. Which looks like a girl
Watering plants.
And then, there's nothing here. And then it says here, a girl watering flowers.
Oh, wow.
Consistent, yeah.
This is the drawing.
Oh.
And then, it says person watering the plant.
Uh-huh.
A guy
Watering the plants.
And then again, watering the plant.
Uh-huh.
And then,
Watering the... Bumbero yan! I know! Farmer Nicholas! Oh my God! Ba? Oh my God! Bakit naging watering ang farma?
At least my water.
Ang talino! Si Jackie!
okay, it says dad playing ball.
Dog.
Is it dog?
Dog, sis, wag sis masyadong ano ha.
Dog.
Baka yung husband.
It says dad. Daddy. Dad playing a ball.
Kasi papasok mo pwede mo. Ng dulo. Pag pabalik lang ba? Baliktad ko.
A dog playing
Parang
ball.
pinahin.
A ball. A ball.
Flying ball and something. Ball na lang.
Misa. Oh my God. Misa. Oh my God. Missile. Rocket flying in space.
Space. That looks like
There's a rocket. Rocket ship.
Ha?
Rocket. Rocket ship launcher. What happened to Dad playing the ball?
Where does the ball come from and where's the dog?
Right?
Draw this one.
That's a rocket flying on the globe. Oh my God. Yeah, right? That's very good. That's a good one.
Ito, playing.
Playing ball, playing
What?
ping pong. Okay.
Ito yung
Playing ping pong.
Hoy, drawing ko yan!
Sis!
Ano to? Two-man boxing.
Oh my God, papi! Palalato talaga.
Ay, boxing yan. Oh, yan po.
Saksakan niya ata eh.
Oh, boxing in a ring.
Boxing in a ring from boxing to playing ping pong, ha? Start. Boxing. Boxing.
Oh, I see. Oh my God, this is not legit. ito? Ano?
Person boxing.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Boxing pa rin yan.
Feeling ko boxing yan.
That is really good.
Oh, alien boxing.
Kung walang kamay.
Pagod. Now you're not.
Punching boxing equipment.
Okay. Oh, ito siya.
Wow.
Yes.
A guy with 6 packs. A guy with 6 packs. Oh my God.
Man, the last one was kind of...
Yeah. That's his Jackie. Congratulations.
Magaling, magaling.
Magaling, magaling, magaling. Kapatid, someone watering flowers.
Itong picture.
Kangaroo yan eh.
That boy looks like a Teletubby.
Sige.
That boy looks like a Teletubby.
Kangaroo jumping in the garden. Oh my God.
Maganda naman yung picture. Oh.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. Like that.
Ito.
Oh, galing.
Next.
Kangaroo in the field of flowers. That's pretty cool.
Laughing.
Pakiulit, pakiulit.
Kangaroo in the field of flowers.
Naging?
Rabbit! Ah, next! Naging bunny! Kangaroo in the yard! Who did that?
Okay, next.
That's a bear!
That's a koala.
That's a koala! That's a koala!
Boy looks like a leopard.
Oh, wala yan.
Kung Fu Panda! Panda eating banana!
Oh, magic word.
Ano yan?
Panda eating grass! Oh my God! Naging kangaroo! Oh my God! Oh, yours is!
Someone is the winner.
Oh, wait.
Ito siguro mahulaan ko kasi sandali madali lang.
A girl eating apple!
Oh, tingnan natin yung picture. Ano yung
A girl eating apple! Ah.
pakukuha? Tapos,
Person eating an apple!
oh, naman winner yan.
Consistent! Consistent! Consistent!
Sir, oh. Ano
Eh, tama, tama.
Alien! Alien yan sis! Alien!
Ito!
Alien yan! Person eating apple!
Okay, oh.
Apple!
Yeah, okay.
Apple guy!
Okay.
Apple!
Tama.
A lady eating an apple!
Ano siya, oh.
Ah! More! Wait. Girl eating apple! That's right! Oh. Next video go! Who's gonna do video? Oh my!
That's the only one that consists.
Yes.
Here! Ano? Man walking with the dog!
Alcohol.
What's the mix?
Jackie.
What's the mix?
Sisipin mo naman!
Oh yeah, I'll take that.
Man walking his dog!
Yeah. Oh,
Person walking the dog.
Tingnan mo lang yung
Pudel.
Dog walker. Tatalino
Tingnan mo naman ng dog! Maliit na dog yung nilaitan dog.
Aray ko.
Boy walking with his dog! Look at that!
Boy.
Oh
Oh my God. Oh, ba't naging flower?
Okay, go. Very cool. Okay. Again, go. Man flying. Man flying. May kusis. Man flying. Abstract ko lang. I-focus mo nga si crossing the wall. That's not your giant. Girl walking at the sidewalk. Where are you guys? A girl walking at the sidewalk.
Oh, that sidewalk papalit ba yun? Pag ako yun, parang church. Second girl. Ala. Ang laki din ng ano, ha?
Adriana. Mom, sexy woman. Jen, hawak mo daw kay Tina. Sexy woman. Kaya mo lang pero alisin natin naman. Madam, gusto mo? Wow!
That's consistent.
Nice!
It's consistent.
That's good! Ayan! That's good! Boy, that's good! Consistent! Boy modeling! Hairy man! Shirtless. Hairy man.
Bigay natin sa kanya ito kasi
Wow! Oo, nakakatawa yung mga drawing. What's over there? Our bartender. Anong ganap to? Raise the glass. Nasa na? Ikaw na maghawak mo.
Mahal!
Maybe dito ka kung may ventilador na. Dito ka na lang. Dito ka. Dito ka.
Sis, dito ka. Dito ka.
Yan siya kasi may ventilador. Then everybody can do
Ayun, doon tayo. Mga friendships.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
cheers.
Happy birthday.
Professional photographer. Pardon me, guys.
Ate Jo, dalawa kayo. Isa lang.
Talaga kasi.
Dito na.
Ako na lang ang picture.
Napilitan.
Bakit ikaw na naman?
Nag-emote naman, birthday mo. Ay, bakit ka sa
Alas ka na dyan? Silang dalawa na.
Wala lang. Bilis. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Kaya nga. Pag-inaral pa din niya. Ang picture ako kayo. Saman na. Wait kita.
Actually, happy to buy like a whole booklet of dance. So it's like $40. Like,
Okay, that's good.
I think parang may notebook na you can erase it.
Maganda yan. That's good. It's fun.
Sinong gusto ng cake?
Active sa mga live, ha?
Oo nga. Eh kasi wala nang space yung phone ko para mag-video. Yan, nakalit tayo. Wala na tayong viewers. Kasi wala nang storage sa phone. Kaya wala na
Hey, Sam, where's your brother?
Guys,
Naka-live kasi.
Naka-live pa rin. Oh. Live na live.
Live na live. Wala naman akong viewers.
Live na
Okay
live.
lang.
Ay, talaga.
Ako mag-live. Ako mag-live. Ikaw talaga. Napagod na yung boses ko, sis.
Ano?
Kung
May
hirap
1 million viewers.
hiramin ko yan. Hirap na hirap ako niyan.
Alin, ito. Oo. Okay.
Live natin.
Oh, hi daw. Sabi ni Miss Maria Luz.
Oh, meron. Hello, sister!
1 million viewers. O, diba? I-ano mo lang siya. Yan. Ayan. Ito mo ito. Ano yung pinapakita mo? Wala nga kasing kakapitan, sis. Nakalukot. Ayusin mo.
Bumaglag na
Ano yung brand? Lukot? Alam mo, ayusin mo.
Sira ulo to, sir.
Ano yan, padding? Padding nga eh. Ala kasing kakapitan. Kasi Julia Barreto. Ay, mas maganda naman ako. Sino ka daw ng... Dala naman ng salamin. Nagpipiling nerd.
Ako na yun o. Ako
Row
si
one.
Nano.
Ay, ginagaya si Nina.
Hindi kasi ang dami ko sister ginawang paper. Sumakit yung mata ko sa sa paper ko kanina.
May grado yan?
Oo, kailangan. Pag hindi naman. Gusto yung sa mata ko talaga.
Sabi ko kasi sana yun. Tatatakoy ako maghapon juice. Kaya hindi ko malaman na pa. Wala season ba kayo luminyan?
Oo nga, hindi naman yan. Wala.
O yan na. Sumakit ka.
I know, di ba?
Ang sexy na to. Anong
Oo nga eh. Anong sikreto ni Madam? Sige nga. On the spot. Oh, mag-cake na tayo, mag-cake. Yes.
Your husband and the little one.
They're outside? Okay.
They're inside.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, thank you. Babe, come on. Come and eat. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Oh, this is my husband. This is Ty, and then Doug, right?
Hello, I'm Doug.
Doug. Jackie's husband. And then Jason.
Warm shots are the worst.
Oh, eto na siya. Oh, come and eat na, babe. Plates are over there.
You want
You want grapes? Okay. Okay, here you go. Ako din naka-live ka rin.
Oo, naka-live.
Let's go to Edward.
One to four na sila practice. Tapos 5 to 8.
Pero may limitation.
Meron kami 5 na sumba.
Hindi ko pa na-try first time. First time, I'm gonna eat this mango cake from 85 Degree Bakery. Kasi si husband ko. I look.
Spray a little bleach on it.
Oh, where did they go? Okay. I don't know where they're at. Ano sis, masarap? Okay. I'm gonna eat now